In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your supplier on Taobao with Bank Card 2025. We'll go step by step, so by the end you'll be confident paying for your order using a bank card through Taobao's checkout. Before we start, make sure you can log into your Taobao account and that your card is enabled for online and international payments. If the site appears in Chinese, you can use your browser's translate feature to make navigation easier. First, head to taobao.com and sign in. Search for the product you want to buy and pick the supplier that fits your needs. Take a moment to review the shop's ratings, product reviews, and shipping terms. Select the exact variations you need, such as size, color, and quantity, and then choose either buy now to purchase immediately or add to cart if you want to combine multiple items in one checkout. When you're ready, open your cart to proceed to checkout. Carefully review the items you've added, confirm your shipping address, and double-check order details like quantity and selected variations. If there are shipping options, pick the one that balances cost and delivery time for you. Once everything looks good, tap Submit Order to move to payment. Taobao processes payments through Alipay, so you'll be redirected to the payment options screen. Here, choose bank card as your payment method. This will allow you to pay directly with a credit or debit card without needing a separate balance. If your card isn't linked yet, tap Add Bank Card. Enter your card number, the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, the 3-digit security code, and your billing information. Ensuring your billing address matches what your bank has on file helps prevent declines. You'll likely receive a verification code via text or a banking app. Enter that code to confirm and link the card. Next, review the order total, including shipping and any fees, and make sure the amount is correct. Tap Pay Now. Depending on your bank and Alipay settings, you may be prompted for a payment password or a verification code. Complete the prompt and wait for the confirmation screen. Avoid refreshing the page while it processes and give it a moment if a 3D secure window appears. After payment, go to My Orders to confirm everything went through. You should see the order marked as paid, and the supplier can now prepare shipment. From this page, you can track updates, check logistics information, and contact the seller through the built-in chat if you need clarification. That's it. You've successfully paid your supplier on Taobao with a bank card. Keep an eye on your order status and you'll be set for a smooth delivery.